Hey everyone, and welcome to FactSpark. If you're ready to have your mind officially blown by the animal kingdom, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving headfirst into a truth so wild, it'll make you question everything you thought you knew about dinner and feet. Get ready for a lesson that's anything but boring. You think you taste with your tongue, right? Pretty standard. But what if I told you there's a creature out there that literally tastes with its feet? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. Or maybe a really strange cooking show. But for crabs, it's just another Tuesday. These incredible crustaceans, from the deepest, darkest oceans to your favorite sandy beach, are hiding a secret sensory superpower. It's like they've got a built-in gourmet scanner on their toes. Imagine walking around and being able to tell if that speck on the ground is a delicious crumb or just dirt, simply by stepping on it. That's the crab life. This isn't just a quirky fact. It's a brilliant adaptation that helps them survive and thrive in their watery worlds. So, let's unravel the truly bizarre and brilliantly engineered biology of how crabs experience their world, one footstep at a time. So how in the world do they pull off this culinary foot feat? It's all thanks to tiny, super specialized structures called chemoreceptors. Think of them as microscopic, super sensitive chemical detectives. They're like the world's smallest, most efficient taste testers, constantly sampling the environment. And here's the kicker. These aren't just on their feet. Oh no, crabs are practically covered in these sensory wonders. They've got them on their antennae, which they flick around like the world's best underwater sniffers. These antennae are constantly detecting chemical whispers from prey, even when it's pitch black. It's like having a super-powered nose that works underwater. They also have these amazing chemoreceptors on their mouthparts, helping them get a final taste test before a meal. Even their powerful pincers are equipped with these sensors, allowing them to taste what they're about to grab. But the real star of the show? Those fuzzy little bits along their legs and pincers, known as setae. These are absolutely packed with taste receptors. So when a crab takes a stroll, or even just gives its leg a little wiggle in the water, these setae are busy picking up chemical cues. They instantly tell the crab if it's a tasty snack, a sneaky predator, or just, well, another boring rock. It's like having taste buds all over your body. And for an extra layer of weirdness, some crabs even have taste receptors inside their esophagus. So if they accidentally swallow something truly gross, they've got a built-in quality control system to reject it. Talk about a discerning palate. It's like having a tiny internal bouncer for bad food. This incredible network of chemoreceptors allows crabs to navigate, find food, and avoid danger in ways we can barely imagine. Now, why would evolution cook up such a bizarre superpower? It's all about survival in their often dark, murky, and downright dangerous underwater world. Unlike us, crabs can't always rely on a good pair of eyeballs. Imagine trying to find your lunch in a pitch-black, muddy room. That's where their widespread chemoreceptors come in. They're like their personal GPS and food scanner, allowing them to sniff out decaying fish or tasty plants even in total darkness or thick mud. Imagine being able to literally step on your dinner and know it's edible. It's incredibly efficient for these bottom-dwelling foragers. They don't need to see their food, they just need to touch it. This allows them to exploit food sources that might be hidden or in environments where visibility is poor. It's a masterclass in sensory adaptation. And it's not just for finding grub. These same receptors are constantly on alert, picking up chemicals released by predators. This gives our crabby friends a crucial heads-up for a timely, sideways getaway. Think of it as an early warning system, detecting the chemical signature of a hungry octopus or a lurking fish. This ability to smell danger from a distance is a lifesaver. Speaking of sideways, their famous scuttling often serves a purpose here. Leading with their feet is a super effective strategy for finding food by, you guessed it, stepping on it. It's not just a funny walk, it's a highly evolved foraging technique. And get this, they're not the only ones with this trick. Some fish, like the quirky sea robins, also use their modified fins legs to taste the seafloor for buried prey. It just goes to show how brilliant nature can be, finding ingenious solutions to common problems. But hold on to your hats, because the wonders of crab biology don't stop at their feet. These creatures are far more complex and fascinating than you might ever imagine. For years, we debated it, but current research strongly suggests crabs do feel pain. Studies show they learn to avoid painful situations, much like us, indicating a more complex sensory and emotional experience than just a simple reflex. So next time you see one, remember, there's more going on in that little shell than you think. They're not just mindless munchers, they're sentient beings. And believe it or not, some crabs are surprisingly intelligent. European shore crabs have shown remarkable ability to solve complex, multi-turn mazes, remembering routes even after weeks. Who knew crabs were such brainy little navigators? It challenges our preconceived notions about these seemingly simple creatures. They can even learn to associate certain cues with rewards, demonstrating a surprising capacity for learning and memory. Then there are the masters of camouflage and teamwork. Meet the boxer crab. These tiny warriors carry venomous sea anemones in their claws, like fluffy, stinging pom-poms for defense and even to mop up food particles. If they lose an anemone, they'll even clone one by splitting their remaining anemone in half. Talk about resourcefulness and a truly unique symbiotic relationship. It's like they're carrying their own living, breathing shield and snack dispenser. And don't forget the decorator crabs, who are basically nature's ultimate fashionistas. They meticulously attach sponges, anemones, or even plant material to their shells for optimal blending into their environment. It's dedication to blending in. Each piece is carefully selected and placed, turning them into living works of art that disappear into their surroundings. It's not just about looking good, it's about survival. And while they're famous for their side-to-side shuffle, not all crabs walk sideways. Many species, like the enormous Japanese spider crab, can walk straight forward. Some, like the Atlantic blue crab, have even evolved paddle-like back legs for swimming, turning them into little aquatic speed demons. They can zip through the water with surprising speed and agility. And the sand crab? It moves only backward and has no claws on its first pair of legs. Now that's an unusual trait. Each species has its own unique locomotion adapted to its specific habitat. Finally, let's dive into the deep sea mysteries. Some ghostly white, eyeless crabs live where there's no light, relying solely on smell to find food. Their chemoreceptors are their entire world. But then there's the giant clawed spider crab, living over 11,000 feet deep, which still has eyes, perhaps to spot bioluminescence from falling food sources. Their ridiculously long legs might even be for walking across vast, dark ocean floors, allowing them to cover more ground in search of scarce resources. Crabs truly are evolutionary marvels, full of surprises at every turn. From tasting with their feet to solving mazes and carrying anemone pom-poms, crabs are truly some of the most fascinating, quirky, and downright amazing creatures on our planet. Their biology is a testament to the incredible, often surprising ways life adapts to thrive. So next time you see a crab scuttling by, remember, there's a whole world of mind-blowing biology happening right under there. Well, their feet. If you found these facts as amazing as we did, hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite crab fact, and subscribe to FactSpark for more incredible animal discoveries. Let's keep exploring the wonders of our world together.